The good news is weather is getting warmer. The bad news is that means more bugs. Calvin Kennon with Specialty Exterminating tells us about one group of invaders we need to keep far from our homes, and prevention is key.
It is. You want to certainly prevent something that's going to do damage to your home, but it's just like any other home maintenance issue. You want to try to head off a problem. Certainly, if you're not sure if you have a problem, you want to be able to get someone out to take a look at it. There's plenty of people in the business right now that can come out and check your home, make sure that it's termite free. If it's not, certainly not something to lose sleep over. It's just like any other home maintenance issue. You can head this problem off, get it under control. It's not something to get too concerned about.
But it can be bad. My mother-in-law, they had termites at their beach house, and it did a lot of damage. So it's not something we should forget about, right?
No, you don't want to forget about it. You don't want to go unchecked. Again, when I mentioned the home maintenance issue, if you let something go over a period of years, you're going to have problems. A situation like termites, certainly they do eat and consume wood, so that's why they're a big concern, and certainly a concern right now at this time of year. This is the time of year you're most likely going to see a problem.
And how many folks should worry? I mean, I would assume termites are everywhere.
Termites are definitely in Central Virginia here. We have a fairly high termite pressure here. It's something that we do have subterranean termites. We don't have dry wood or powder post termites indigenous to the area, but certainly subterranean termites are in the area, and it is likely that at some point most people are going to deal with termites, at their homes.
And how can you figure out that you might have termites?
Well, if you see certainly a swarm, that would be a thing to kind of get you alerted. Dirt tubes, little dirt trails going up the foundation wall. Certainly if you see little pinholes in sheetrock, that could be something to maybe check out. If there's ever a question, though, the best thing to do is have a professional looking at it, making sure that you're doing everything possible to keep that home safe from termite.
And tell me how it works. What is the process? Somebody calls you on the phone, tells you to come out to their house. What happens next?
Well, we go out, we send an inspector to give an assessment of the home. We check it over as best we can. Certainly there's areas that are hard to get at. It's hard to look. In some crawl spaces are very low. Some of the basements are finished, so you can't check the actual structure in some cases. But we check it over, give you an analysis of what we see. Certainly if we find termites, we would let you know what needs to be done. There's several treatment options. Some people opt for baits. Most people go with liquid treatment to the exterior of the home, treatment of the soil. And, we will discuss, those options with each person to find out what, suits their needs the best.
Now, I have a couple kids, and I worry about chemicals. Is this a safe treatment, both of these treatments?
Both treatments are safe. The liquid termiticide treatment is applied to the soil itself, and we take all the precautions necessary to keep you and your family safe. The baits itself, that's just basically putting little pods in the ground with an auger. Certainly take all the precautions there to make sure that you and the family are safe. So.
And is this something you're going to need to do forever? Do you have to treat for termites all year round?
Well, you treat it once and then you check it annually, and then you would follow up with treatments if you would find any activity down the road. Most people keep a warranty program, and with the warranty program, that allows the inspector to come once a year or more if necessary. If the homeowner ever has a problem, they can always call, get rechecked at any point. But certainly as long as you own your home, you're going to want to keep some sort of watch on termites.
And you guys are really experts at this, right? This is a family business. You've led a bug's life, haven't you?
Definitely. We've been around since 1979, and we've definitely talked termites and every other kind of bug at the family kitchen table, and just basically it's allowed us to meet a lot of good people, help people, and we enjoy the work, and we especially enjoy meeting our customer and kind of making a friend out of our customer.
Specialty Exterminating has 2 locations, Madison Heights and in Farmville. 1-800-380-PEST or specialtyexterminating.com.